buried to the hood, wheels spinning uselessly. They say it's still stuck there. Just kidding. They got out eventually. Unforgettable. Ground's too soft. One mistake, everyone's stuck. Long ropes from a distance, safer, but harder. Can they actually pull it free? Oh! Slide looked controlled until it wasn't. Last second, he bailed and ran. Close call. Hold up, that's not a weed. That's a monster stump, and he just hooked his tractor to it like it's nothing. Steel versus earth. Let's see who blinks first. Stuck alone? No rescue coming? Only patience and creativity save you. Experience, calm thinking, bold moves. That's your way out. Everyone thought he was stuck for good. Then, something shifted. No help, no panic, just pure skill. Watch him claw his way out like the mud never stood a chance. He buried his Belarus on purpose. Wanted to see if it could escape alone. Spoiler, it couldn't. Took 2 tractors to drag it out. Experiment failed, lesson learned.
a kapura kell akasztani.
Akkor is fölborítsam az...
Look at that angle. One more inch and it's game over. First rescue? Failed. Second? Still nothing. Then the cavalry shows up. 3 machines, 1 mission. When it finally breaks free, you can hear the victory. Belarus versus Ural, Swamp Arena. They're trading poles like a game of war. Fun? Sure. But let's be honest, the Ural's flexing harder. Sometimes the truck just hits different. ...2023 pulling season. Crashes, fires, chaos. Drivers walked away. Machines, not so lucky. That's the price of pushing limits. Massive pear trees? Bulldozer yanks them like weeds. Looks effortless. That's raw demolition power. Corn harvest, deep mud, days of rain. John Deere towing stuck wagons. The 585 HP Jaguar devouring 8 rows at once. The Liper crushing and compacting. This is organized chaos at its best.
Pflichtbewusst wird der starken Erntemaschine gefordert. Kann höhere Kräfte auf den Boden übertragen. Die saatengrüne 585 PS.
Claas Jaguar leading the charge. Fendt, New Holland. John Deere backing it up. Wheels buried in mud, but the corn keeps falling. Precision in the worst conditions. That's mastery.